The color of our eyes is a fascinating and unique aspect of human diversity. From the deep brown of a cup of coffee to the piercing blue of a clear sky, eyes come in a multitude of colors that can captivate our attention. But have you ever wondered why people's eyes are different colors? What determines the color of our eyes? Let's delve into the science behind this captivating phenomenon. At the heart of the matter is the iris, the colorful part of the eye that surrounds the pupil. The iris contains specialized cells called melanocytes, which are responsible for producing and storing pigments, including melanin. Melanin is a complex molecule that comes in different forms and colors, ranging from black to brown to yellow to red. It is the amount, type, and distribution of melanin in the iris that ultimately determines the color of our eyes. Genetics plays a crucial role in eye color. Our DNA contains specific genes that control the production and distribution of melanin in the iris. These genes are inherited from our parents, and the combination of genes we inherit determines our eye color. For example, if a person inherits genes for higher levels of melanin, their eyes may be darker in color, such as brown or black. On the other hand, if a person inherits genes for lower levels of melanin, their eyes may be lighter in color, such as blue or green. But it's not just about the amount of melanin in the iris. The way melanin is distributed within the iris also plays a role in eye color. The iris has two layers, the front layer and the back layer. The front layer contains melanocytes that produce the pigments, while the back layer has cells that scatter and reflect light. The interaction between the front and back layers of the iris, along with the type and amount of melanin, can result in a variety of eye colors and patterns. For instance, in people with blue eyes, the front layer of the iris has little to no melanin, and the back layer scatters light, resulting in the blue color that we perceive. In contrast, brown eyes have a higher concentration of melanin in the front layer, which absorbs more light, making the eyes appear darker. Green eyes are thought to be a result of a combination of factors, including the amount and type of melanin, and the scattering of light, which can create a unique greenish hue. Interestingly, the color of our eyes can also change over time. Most notably, during infancy, a baby's eye color can change as the melanin-producing cells in the iris continue to develop and distribute melanin. This is why some babies are born with blue or gray eyes that may later change to a different color, such as brown or green, as they grow older. Beyond genetics, other factors can also influence eye color. Environmental factors, such as exposure to sunlight and UV radiation, can affect the production and distribution of melanin in the iris. Hormonal changes, certain diseases, and medications can also impact eye color. However, these factors generally have a minimal effect on eye color compared to genetic factors. In conclusion, the color of our eyes is a complex trait determined by a combination of genetics, melanin production and distribution, and the scattering of light in the iris. It's a beautiful example of the intricate workings of our biology and the fascinating diversity of human characteristics. So, the next time you gaze into someone's eyes, take a moment to appreciate the marvels of science that create the kaleidoscope of eye colors that make each of us unique. Thanks for watching.